Welcome to qnawire.
If angle HTO is 50, we want to find the measure of angle U. Well, if this is 50, then inside of the parallelogram, which is on a line with that 50, would have to be 130 degrees, and then angle U is opposite that, so opposite sides are congruent in the parallelogram, 130 degrees. If angle ETS is 65 degrees, find EHS. EHS would be this angle here. All right, so one way to do this would be, let's get into that triangle by subtracting 180 and 65. That's 115 degrees. Now we're inside the triangle. This is an isosceles triangle in a rectangle. So 180 minus 115, and we're back to the 65, but split equally in two would be 32.5 degrees. Next, if we have information about ET and US and OU, find X, find Y. Well, all three of these are going to be congruent because diagonals of a rectangle are congruent and they are bisected. And then these are, this is a parallelogram, opposite sides are congruent. So you can set any of these parts equal to each other. Let's start with just saying 16 plus x is equal to 5x. And 16 is equal to 4x, and x is equal to 4. And if x is equal to 4, that means these are all length 20. And so OU needs to be equal to 20 as well. 3x plus 3y is got to be equal to 20. And again, x is 4, so that'd be 20 equals 12 plus 3y. 3y is equal to 8. Y is equal to 8/3. Last but not least, we have information for EO and HT. Well, if we double HT, will be equal to EO. So 5x squared equals, distribute the 2 to get 18x plus 8. 5x squared minus 18x minus 8 is equal to 0. We have a quadratic. Whatever form you are familiar of solving, it could even be graphing. Like you could graph 5x squared minus 18x minus 8. And I don't know if you can see this or not based on my settings, but only the positive answer would make sense, and that would be 4. You could do this by factoring as well, or the quadratic formula.